Let's talk about some drones. Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I did a video. I think the last one I did was over a year ago. It's been pretty busy out here. I had a baby, we bought a house. Just haven't had time to do one of these. Anyway, today we're talking about drones. This one in particular, the Mavic Pro 2, and what I think about it. I bought this in 2018. I've used it a bunch since then. And for context here, I've used it for work, everything from commercial clients like big sports brands to editorial clients like the Wall Street Journal and the New York Times, as well as news wire agencies like Getty Images. I've used it for both photo and video. I also did get my license for this too, so I am FAA certified. And I've always worked with it, getting daily insurance from drone providers. And I suggest anybody who's gonna, invest in something like this or use a drone for work, get your license and make sure you have daily insurance. You don't want to be caught, in a situation without that. Drone pilot licenses are really easy to get. Anyway, the short and sweet of this is I have never had a small addition to my kit like this that's made such a big difference. And I absolutely love it. I've used other drones before. I've used other models of drones, and I can't suggest any of them over this. Easeability and packability and image quality all kind of come together to make the perfect little package. This fits in the bottom of my backpack. Fits well with the other cameras I normally carry around with me. I usually leave it in the car when I'm going on shoots, and then I'll get all the photography or all the video I need done, and then I'll jump back to my car and just throw the drone up for 15-20 minutes and grab those just different angle shots that add so much context. And as far as the drone and how it works and all the tech specs, if you've seen these videos before, that's not what I'm about. I'm not going to give you the tech breakdown of this shit. I don't care about it. Does this thing work for what I need? And it does a million times over. The image quality is nearly perfect. It's amazing for throwing this thing up in the sky. The amount the quality of images I get out of it. I'm also not printing out billboards. I'm sending these to clients who are usually using them on the web or in newspapers. And, I could also see printing images from this in a book in some way. I think, the main takeaway from this is if you're somebody who shoots regularly and just needs a little bit extra in your, image package that you're sending out to people, a different vantage point, that one sky shot in your package of 25 images that you're sending out from the day, I would highly suggest getting this. It adds just such a different perspective to, the work that you're doing, the story you're working on, and it's really easy to use. I would buy it again now. I know there's newer versions of this out, or newer versions of, drones from DJI out, and I haven't tried them yet, but just given what a great package this is, you could probably find this secondhand somewhere. I still love it. I'm going to keep using it. I'm not going to sell it, and it's been a great addition to my bag. And anyway, comment, and subscribe. This is not sponsored by Squarespace.